Hey guys, welcome back. So I mentioned a few videos ago about wanting to get into tandems. So there are some servers now with AI that allow you to practice before you jump into servers with real players. But before I went that far, I thought I should learn the layouts they use. So with that, we're going to look at Klutch Kickers. So with that, let's jump in. Alright, so we're in the Klutch Kickers course, back in a Death Wish carriage car, this time the S14. Pretty sure it was with an SR20, but I think it's the VET. So just leaving the car park, you come out to the track. So come down to the main corner. And you just have to flick through this section. It's like a judge's box up there. Kind of loops back on itself. And then you got an outer zone through there. Aim for. And that's a lap of Klutch Kickers, so it's quite short. But we'll just try a second first. Flick it through. Too far, don't spin. Out of the grass. I'm gonna go too wide onto the dirt. Back around. This track should just be able to keep going. So I'm just still using second for the whole track just to try and keep the speed down. Alright, I'm surprised how much similar these cars handle to the Swarm ones. Just not tough on the dirt. Started going back or drift to a street cars and noticing that it felt very different. This feels very similar. So yeah, it's a very short track. I'm gonna fall out of drift. Try and keep it around the outer zone. I'm just trying to focus on being smooth, not speed in this case. Go around the outside. Obviously the AI cars are very consistent because it's just the same lap over and over. Whereas I am not very consistent. A little bit of ash second. This does seem to be a very popular layout for track, I should say, to use. I'll just cut the witch's hat. What's going on with that one? Looks like it's fallen into the road. Alright, just nice and smooth. I'm pretty sure from when I've checked before, we'll just do a flick on the straight and keep it going. Just second through. Not a lot of throttle. And then fall out of the drift because I didn't use enough throttle. Alright, I'm going to try third on the next lap just because I want to. I actually don't know the speed of their AI cars, thinking about it, so maybe they do use third. Third. Definitely get a lot more speed in the straight there. I'm going to cut the corner because I didn't angle it very well. And it was going to over-rotate. Didn't pull it back in time. But yeah, the layouts are nice and simple. So we're just going back to second again. Not catching it in time. Need to bring the wheel back earlier for that transition. Maybe I need to flick it a little bit more just so I'm able to catch it. It's a nicely modelled track too. With all the carriers or buses by the look of it. I don't know the history of this track either, but I know it does seem pretty popular. Full throttle. I am just trying to be very delicate with the throttle to try and keep the speed of the car down. I think because I am trying to be that delicate, I'm kind of falling out of drifts. Oh, stuff like that. So a couple more laps, but I think I really need to see one of these AI servers. To be honest, I've already jumped in one before. Pay a bit more attention to the speed of the cars and then the line and see if I can match it. Not really near the outside. Do they like cut the inside there? I know they definitely do a flick along here. Am I meant to be aiming for these witches' hats? That why they're there. Out of zone. Aim for it too well. Oh. Second. Alright, let's do 2 more laps and then stop. I can see why they use this for tandems, like it flows very nicely. But just playing by myself is not that really interesting corner or section. Which I'm sure I'll change my mind once I try and tandem with someone and realize how difficult it is. I can't remember if I said one more in the last one or 2 ago, but just trying to keep it smooth. Yeah, all second gear, nice and slow and smooth. And spin. Keep it out on the line. I don't know if I'm on the smoke. I don't know if I'm on the line or the dirt. The smoke, so at least one tire was on the road. So that's a few lap of Klutch Kickers. Like I said, it's all about just practicing to jump into the AI servers and have a go of them. And it's more just to learn the layout, try and be smooth with the DWG cars again. I guess that was part of it too. Actually seeing how different they feel to the Swarm cars. But yeah, it's a nice flowing layout. Nice and small, pretty simple. So I guess the next step is to actually jump into the servers and give them a go. With that, thanks for watching, guys.